Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Vidit Yoga. In this video, we'll discuss how to repeat header on each page in the Microsoft Word file and Microsoft Excel file. Before starting this video, those who are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel. In daily office work, we use Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel to store the different data. So it is observed that in some cases, that data may extend for two or more than two pages. At that time, when printing that file information, or whenever we are going to read such multiple pages, then it is necessary to repeat the header on each page of the Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel file. So in this video, we'll discuss how to repeat such header in case of the Microsoft Word and Excel file. So first of all, we'll discuss about Microsoft Word file. So here as an example, we are having the Microsoft Word file in which the header is information with header is serial number, student name, department and marks. If we see the total information, then it is having the almost 69 pages, and hence if we go from the first page to second page, it is observed that header is not repeated on different pages, and that at that time it becomes difficult to read such information. So for that purpose, what we need to do, if we have to repeat the header, then first of all select the header which you want to repeat, then go to the option table layout, and on right hand side there is option repeat header rows. So just click on this option repeat header rows. Then it is observed that this header is repeated for the different pages. Okay, so serial number, student name, department and marks, this header is repeated for the different pages, and because of that it becomes easy to read such information, or whenever you are going to print such pages, then this header you can see on header side of each page. Now we'll discuss about how to repeat the header in case of the Excel file. So for this purpose, I will consider this example again. In the information is in Excel file having the header of serial number, student name, department and marks. So this file is also having the more information, and if I have to print this Excel file information, then normally what we'll do, we'll press the Ctrl P button, then your printable file pages are, you can see the printable file pages. So here almost 28 pages are there. On first page the header is available, but if we are going to see the print preview of these pages, then it is observed that from the second page onwards we are not having the header information on each page of the file. So suppose we have to add the header in such cases, what you need to do, first of all go to the option print titles which is available here, print titles, just click on this option. Then there is another one option, rows to repeat at top. So just click here so that your cursor will be available at this blank page, or this point, and then select the header which you want to repeat. So I will select the row of this header which I want to repeat, and so that rows to repeat at top will get selected, and then click on the OK button. Okay, once we do this activity, then Now suppose I want to print these pages. I will press again Ctrl plus P. Now on first page header is available, and if you see the next pages from the second page onwards also, almost for all the pages the header is repeated. Okay, so now you can read this data very easily since header is available on each page of the Microsoft Excel file. Thus, we have demonstrated how to repeat the header in Word file and Microsoft Excel file. I hope this information is helpful to you. For more information and more videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you everyone.